Are we recording?
Recording, dude.
Alright, I hit y'all with the first review. Now this one, a little unboxing. Same type of jacket. Boy, y'all gotta hit the gym, man.
What's up?
Yeah, the first one, I did a review. Now this one's an unboxing, so y'all gonna see what it looks like when you actually get the package. Alright. So look, that shit is clean, man. Fresh, high quality, for sure. Got it packaged up in the plastic, and look, you even get hella YL stickers, SK stickers, man. Alright, man. We're gonna put these to the side. We're getting chilly out here. And somebody asked me in the comments on my last video, like, what size did I get? I'm about 5'8", 5'7", in between there. And I usually get medium, but like they say on the website, jackets run kind of small, so whatever you normally get a size up from that. Oh, shit. Dog's trying to get some SK too, man. Alright, man. Zip it up. Damn. Struggling with the zip. It ain't the zipper, it's me, y'all. They got the double zipper on here, dude, so you really got to get it lined up. Damn, dude. Damn, G. It's making this shit look bad, but no, it's me, for real. Hold up.
Damn, double zipper.
I got the double zippers, man. I'm not used to this, man. That's why it's taking me a minute. Alright, got the double zippers. This. Got the hoodie, fully zips up. So if you cold, you know what I mean, you can't afford no bed sheets. You know what I'm saying? Put on the hoodie and go all the way up. But yeah, man. From our review, give it a 10 out of 10, man. That shit fresh, man. But I gotta save up because it's kind of pricey, man. But yeah. If y'all want something fresh, holla at SK.
It's your boy.
Yeah. All right, thanks, you.